Hi, how are you? Let's draw a nice painting which is going to be the acrylic color. So in this canvas you can see it's a solid wood, so found material, DIY canvas made for painting, and we're going to use the basic drawing skills to draw this one. So in this canvas let's draw the field here. So for drawing the field we're going to draw the green one here. Okay, so green field is going to be like this, putting the color. But for bigger canvas we need a bigger brush, so putting lots of green with the brush here, you can see. Okay, for the whole side. Awesome. So after green we're going to put the yellow color on the top, just to highlight the upper portion. Okay, so that's the variation we're just going to make. Okay, awesome. So in this portion we're going to put another color which is lots of flowers, and it's going to be the pink color. Just putting the combinations of pink, lots of pink here. Defines the flowers. Okay, so this color you can see going to be the next field for the flower field. Again taking the pink and putting it on the canvas. So when you do, just try to fill up the whole area, and you can make the variations with the white color. Adding the white in some places. That's how you can make the variations. All right, so for the whole field you can see the effect is going to be very good. Awesome. Okay, so the green color is done. Now we're going to draw a house in this place. Let's draw the house. This is the rooftop. The rooftop is the inclined rooftop, so that's why you can see it's a little bit inclined to the right side, and putting the colors from the opposite directions. And another portion you can see this way. Okay, let's put the white color for the house. Mm-hmm. Okay, so that's the whitewashed wall in the landscape. Okay, so it's nicely visible, the whole wall. Here you can have a sun. Later we're going to put more color here, but this is just the primary level. Okay, and there's going to be a tree in this position. So let's take the color for tree, and these are the branches. Okay, you can see the branches. Mm-hmm. Branches of the trees here. Okay, so in the bottom just few details for the trees, and we're going to put the colors like the pink color for top of the trees because it's the springtime. So in the bottom you can see the dark shades, that's why putting pink colors in the bottom. Then we're going to put another label of the white. Okay, see the pink here. Mm-hmm. Put the white shade on top of the pink, just putting the shades like this one. So that's a separate white on the top of the tree. Okay, let's take a little bit more here. All right, awesome. So mixing up the shades within the trees. The drawing is almost coming to an end, so not taking much time. Okay, taking the pink variations for the shades of the trees. Mm-hmm. Okay, now we're going to take another brush and do the details for the house with the black colors here. So going to draw the outlines. Okay, so these are the vertical lines of the house. Mm-hmm. Then these are the borders for the inclined roof. Awesome. Another border, it's on the side. Okay, putting straight line here. Mm-hmm. Here goes the door. So the bigger door you can see with